Good morning. Today's Monday, August the 31st, 2020. So are we ready to start off our day? Let's see. So what's your mood today? Are y'all excited, sad, surprised, or happy? Are you all sad today because we have to start class? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. So let's go over the days of the week today. We're Monday. We're starting the week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Days of the week and the date. So let's see. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Today we are August the 31st, 2020. Today's the last day of the month. So it's hot outside. And it's the last day of summer. Let's go over the months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Remember to stay active. In the evenings, go outside. For a little while, ride your bike, walk your dog, use your scooter, your skateboard, play basketball. Today's agenda. Today we will be doing English language arts. We're going to do some reading. Life skill lesson is folding your clothes. Today there's a video on your life skill lesson, which is folding your clothes. Remember, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and call your teacher. Sorry, let me go back. Miss Castañeda, Miss Martinez, Mr. Guzman, or myself, Miss De La Garza. You can always call me. So let's get started.